Alrighty, let's get started with Module 1, Lesson 16, the problem set. And in this problem set, as you can see behind me here, it's word problems time again. So we're going to solve two-step word problems, and we're going to be using the standard subtraction algorithm, fluently modeled with tape diagrams, and assess the reasonableness of the answers. So that's quite a mouthful, just to say that we're going to be doing word problems using tape diagrams and the standard subtraction algorithm. All right, let's get started. All right, in number 1, it says estimate first, and then solve each problem. Model the problem with the tape diagram and explain if your answer is reasonable. On Monday, a farmer sold 25,196 pounds of potatoes. On Tuesday, he sold 18,023 pounds. On Wednesday, he sold some more potatoes. In all, he sold 62,409 pounds of potatoes. How many pounds of potatoes did the farmer sell on Wednesday? Estimate by rounding each value to the nearest thousand, then compute. Well, a lot gets lost in all that verbiage, but one thing that we do know for sure is that the total amount that he sold, so let's go ahead and pop that total amount in, the whole shooting match here, the whole thing was how much? We know it was this amount here, 62,000, so 62,409 pounds. That's the full shooting match of all of them together. And we know that, let's see, on Tuesday, it tells us how much he sold on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, he sold 18,000. Well, actually, on Monday, we know how much he sold on Monday. He sold 25,196. And on Tuesday, he sold 18,023. Okay, and what we don't know is, well, what did he sell on Wednesday? So this is the missing piece right here. That's the missing piece. How much did he sell on Wednesday? Now, it says in this first one, it says about. So now we're talking about rounding again. And we'll get to round to the nearest thousand. All right, well, let's just kind of do some quick math here. Well, the first thing I need to figure out is I need to figure out this total here first before I can do my subtraction. I have to figure out how much this is and then subtract the 6 from the 62,409. So let's estimate that first. If we estimate 25,000 to the nearest thousand, it's going to be 25,000 and 18,023. That's going to be close to 18,000. Okay. If we add those two together, we're going to have 8 and 5 is 13. We're going to have 43,000. So this is about 43,000. And then the amount that we start with here is 62,409. If we round that to the nearest thousand, it'll be 62,000. So 62,000. That's our top number, a big number. And then the addition of the two parts of our tape here is 43,000. So now all we have to do is subtract to get that number. Is we're going to subtract, and we'll subtract 43,000. And that should give us what we sold on Wednesday, about. Because this is rounding, so it's an approximation. Okay, so this is going to be 5, it's going to be 12, it's going to be 9. So about 19,000. So our answer will be about 19,000. So on Wednesday, he sold about 19,000. And that's what we can write down. On Wednesday, he sold about 19,000. So there you go. On Wednesday, he sold about 19,000 pounds of potatoes. Well, for part B, the only difference there is we have to find the exact answer. Okay, so let's find the exact answer. Well, we have the exact numbers. That's already done for us. I mean, we already worked that out. So all we have to do now is pop in the exact numbers. So we're going to add the 25,196 plus 18,023. Okay, and that's going to give us 9, 2, 5 is 13, 43,219. And now from that, we're going to subtract the number that the real number, or the total number of pounds of potatoes, 62,409. Subtract 43,219. Subtract that, we get 0. Oops, we need to borrow over here, so let's get that 3, that 10, 9, 1, 12, so we have 9 and 1. 19,190. So the farmer sold 19,190 pounds of potatoes on Wednesday. So there you go. The farmer sold 19,190 pounds of potatoes on Wednesday. And then C, of course, just wants to know, is it reasonable? And we just compare our answers for A and B and write a sentence to explain our reasoning. So we can just simply say that our answer is reasonable. Yes, my answer is reasonable. And why is it reasonable? Well, my answer is reasonable because it's very close to our estimate. Okay, so we just write down that our answer, or my answer, is reasonable because 19,190 is very close to my estimate of 19,000. So there you go. Onward to number 2. Again, you can always pause the video when you need to. Alrighty, a gas station has 2 pumps. Pump A dispensed 241,752 gallons. Pump B dispensed 113,906 more than A. Okay, so let's see, what in the world is that going to look like? All right, well, see if we have pump A, and it has, oops, this is 241,700, oops, 752. Pump B has more than pump A, so it has the same amount here, plus more. Okay, so that more that it's plus is 113,916. Okay. Remember, this amount here is still 241,752. Okay. So how much did both pumps dispense? Well, both pumps dispense. So we could basically just add all 3 of these together. Okay. So, and it said to estimate by rounding. Okay, and then compute. All right, estimate by rounding. Well, let's see, rounding to the nearest 100,000. Okay, 100,000. So 241,000 is about 200,000. And then pump B is 200,000 plus 100,000, which is 300,000. So altogether, that's 500,000. So that would be our answer. So our answer would be the pump dispensed about 500,000. Now, dispense just means that it poured out. It came out of the pump was 500,000 gallons. Okay. All right. Now, exactly how much? Now let's do the exact numbers. Now, let's see. The exact numbers might be a little bit different. So let's do the exact numbers. So now we're going to add up 241,752. And then to that, we're going to add 113,916. This is to get pump B. Okay, this is for pump B. All right, so let's see, 6, 7, 8, 5, 1, 6, 7 is 16, that's 4, 354,000. Okay, so that's pump B. Now pump A is still 241,752 plus, now we have 354,668. Let's add that together and see what we get. Okay, let's see what our exact answer is. All right, we get 8. It's 10, 6, 5, 11, 12, 14, 6, 9, oops, 596,000. Whoa, that's closer to 600,000. Let's think about that. Is our uh, answer reasonable, or is our estimate reasonable? Uh-oh. Ah, Well, so hopefully, let's go back and check this. So hopefully, our estimate was off by almost 100,000. So it might have been better to estimate to the 10,000 place. And if we did estimate to the 10,000 place, it would have been about, let's look at the 590, which is a lot better. So it would indeed have been better to have estimated to the 10,000 place. Well, that'll do it for this time. Hope that helps you. And I'll catch you same time, same place next time. Hasta la vista, baby. Psst, video's over. Get to work.